Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the TV Link indoor monitor camera, and here are some of the features that I got. I got 1080 video, pan tilt in real time, motion tracking, secure local storage. So this thing will get the micro SD card, night vision, patrol mode, and two-way audio. So this thing will connect to Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. So in the box I got the instruction for you to download the Kasa app. The Kasa app will be in the Apple Store and Google Play. And this is the template for you to mount the camera. You got two holes for the screw. You got a power adapter. This is the mounting plate. And it's USB and micro USB power. And here's the camera. In the back, you got the micro USB port right here for you to plug in for the power supply. And this is a speaker, I think. In the front, it got I think the camera, the microphone. So I've looked around and I found a slot for the micro SD card right here. It's at the bottom of the camera. If I'm using your finger to tilt it up, you couldn't find it. So that's pretty clever of them, hiding under there. Yeah. So the mounting plate will go at the bottom of the camera. Right here, you put it in and you twist it to lock it in. So I guess you can mount to the wall like that. Or you can set it on the table. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in and download the Kasa app. So the cable of the camera is about 10 feet long. So from the floor to the ceiling, there's no problem. All the way to the ceiling from the floor. I even got some extra wire. So you can mount up here on the ceiling if you want to. So the camera is turning itself. It's tilting up and down. The front, the light is flashing. So I download the Kasa app and open it up. So now I'm gonna add a device. Add a device. On here I got the camera. I'm gonna say camera. So I'm gonna select this one Kasa Pan Tilt. My camera is plugged in and everything, so I'm gonna go next. So yes, the orange and green is flashing. Next. So now I'm gonna connect my Wi-Fi to the Kasa app, the Kasa. Kasa.com. So I connected Wi-Fi and now it's setting up. And now I'm going to select my network. So now it's joining my network. The light is green now. I'm connected. So this Kasa also worked with Alexa. So my Alexa app is just show. So now I'm gonna name my device. I'm just gonna name it Cam1. Location. Custom. I'm gonna name it bedroom. Save. I don't want to be notified. So it has a feature that enable recording 24/7 or disable recording 24/7. I'm gonna disable for now because I don't have the SD card. I'll show you the instruction for mounting. I'll do it later. Okay, I'm all set. Not now. So now I'm updating the firmware. Okay guys, so my camera is live now. I can move it around. I'll see stuff. Now I'm going to try to pan and tilt it, see how it works. I can move up and down. I can move right and left. Move down a little bit. Wave my hand. I'll test out a speaker. Hello. Yeah guys, so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.